Welcome to Bajaj OTG 1000 TSS demo. The Bajaj OTG 1000 TSS is a multi-purpose 10-litre OTG with various accessories which helps you to bake, grill and toast. It comes with one crumb tray, one pizza tray, one wire grill and a tong. It has two heating elements, one at top and one at bottom. There are two knobs on the OTG. Temperature control knob which controls the temperature and timer knob which helps you set the time. Preheat the OTG to required temperature and time before using. Place the cupcake dough on crumb tray. Place the crumb tray in the tray slot. Set the temperature and time as required. And your chocolate cupcakes are ready. Place the marinated chicken pieces on the wire grill and place it in the wire grill slot of the OTG. Set the temperature and time as required. And your chicken is ready to be served. Place the pizza on the pizza tray. Place the pizza tray on the wire grill and place it in the wire grill slot. Set the temperature and time as required. And your pizza is ready. The Bajaj OTG 1000 TSS is here to make your cooking easy and your food delicious. Bake, grill, toast from cupcakes to tandoori chicken. Explore Bajaj OTG 1000 TSS and make something awesome today.